Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can invite your friends to Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Signal app on your phone. As soon as you open it, you can see the Invite Friends option. Go ahead and tap on Invite Friends, or you can find your Invite Friends option if you click on the three dots on the top right hand corner as well. So go ahead and click on Invite Friends, and you can see this is a share link. You can write down your own personal message over here and click share. After you click share, you can see that other social media sites will appear over here. You can share them using these sites and these apps. So you can use this, go ahead and share it with a friend, and they can join Signal and they can be friends with you. So click on invite friends, write down your own personal message, click share, and copy this link, and you can send it individually as well. I hope this video about how you can invite friends to Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.